Back when tubeless tires first hit the market, technicians figured if a valve stem fit the hole, it was good to go. Nowadays, that kind of thinking could lead to some serious problems for customers. Let's talk about why proper valve stem selection matters and some tips for selecting the right valve stem for the job. While valve stems have been reliable over the years, today's higher inflation pressures and speed limits mean choosing the right one is more important than ever. In fact, one of the most popular complaints is sudden air loss on the road, even at highway speeds. In most cases, that's due to incorrect valve stem selection. The issue often comes down to using low-pressure valve stems on tires that require high inflation pressures. Think about it. A valve stem rated for lower pressures might seem fine at first, but add in some hot weather and high-speed driving, and you could be looking at a cracked stem or a complete failure. Always check both the required tire pressure and the valve stem's pressure rating. If your customer's tire needs higher pressure, you'll want to use either a high-pressure snap-in valve stem or a metal clamp-in style. When it comes to metal valve extensions, they should only be used with metal valve stems. The added weight of a metal extension at high speeds can cause serious problems with rubber valve stems. For those, stick to plastic extensions only. One last tip. Before installing any valve stem, make sure to use a non-petroleum-based lubricant and carefully inspect the stem hole. Check for sharp edges, metal slivers, rust, or excess paint that could damage the stem or prevent proper seating. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.